Anyone got any more layers?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just hard to use.
Oh, that'll be fun, yeah.
It's going to lay all of it. Yeah. Oh. Look at that then. Right, take it off.
Oh, who's got the next up? It's looking good, Where's the favourite that is with you? Oh, that's all like whirly
Don't go near that one when you're up there, just in case it blows in the glass. Because I've known that before.
No,